Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD Tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more design videos. In this video, we're going to be learning how to use the copy and move command. Let's dive in. For the move command, the shortcut is M and enter. The first thing we're supposed to do is to select the object we want to move. So select this object and enter. Then we specify the base point. The base point is the point where you are moving the object from. Specify this as base point and we'll try to move this object. We can position it here and click. Another way to move this object is to use the command in our modify panel. So go to our home tab, modify panel, and we can find the move command, the cross. Select it, select our object, enter, specify our base point, and give it a distance of displacement. You give the distance of displacement our command line as 50. Enter. And we've moved the object from its initial position to 50 units displacement away from its initial position. For the copy command permits you to recreate that object in a different position while maintaining the original object. The shortcut for the copy command is CO. CO and enter. We are requested to select our object that we want to copy and enter after selecting your object and specify the base point. Specify this as base point and we are requested to give a displacement. You could impute the distance of say 10 units and this object has been copied. But since it's a copy command, it still permits us to copy the object multiple times. And when we are done, we can enter to exit the command. Another way to perform the copy command is to go to your modify panel under the home tab and you find the copy icon. The copy icon is the icon with the 3 circles. So you select it and you're ready to copy. First thing we have to do is to select our object, enter, then specify our base point and displace our object. But if you check your command line, there is another option available for you, which is array. Array permits you to create multiples of that same object at given specific distance or within the specific distance. So if you go to command line and select the array option, we'll be requested to put the number of items. Now the number of items indicated includes the original object which you are copying. So if I say 4 objects, 3 more objects will be created and I enter. You can notice 3 more objects have been created. And I just need to displace the object at constant distances. I will give it a distance of 50 from base point. And you can see, I can escape and you can see 4 of these objects. Now let's erase this. Let's copy again. We pick the copy command. We select our object. We enter. We specify our base point. And we select the array option on our command line. But this time around, we want the object to fit into a specific distance. So give it the number of items, still 4. Enter. Now, rather than giving it a displacement distance, we use fit, still on the command line. When you select fit, you give it a specific distance that the object should fit within, from displacement point to displacement point. If I say 100 and enter, you can see that the objects have been created overlapping each other, since the displacement distance is less than the length of the rectangle. We could redo this by selecting all the rectangles, performing the copy command again, select our object, pick the copy icon, specify our displacement distance, use the array option again, give number of items as 4, enter, and use the fit option, but this time around, give a distance sufficient enough for the objects to be visible. Let's say 200 units, and enter, and escape. As you can see, we've created 3 more of the original object in AutoCAD. That will be all for the copy and move command. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.